Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Rebecca's Doing the Crew. I'm Arianna and today we're making this Michaels inspired Valentine's Day decor.
Okay, so this is the Michaels craft that we are going to reproduce. So this is our version of this heart. Originally, we got this at the Dollar Tree. It is just a wooden heart for $1, and this little wood love sign, we got that at Michaels for 99 cents. We're going to use some painter's tape, some Mod Podge, and some paint of our choice, and some glitter. You're also going to need a hot glue gun, a ruler, a pencil, and a sponge brush. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this red hanger that came with the heart that we got from Dollar Tree. We're just going to cut that off because we're going to replace this with some twine at the end of the project. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw 5 equally spaced lines on the heart so that it looks like the one that we took a picture of from Michaels. So we're going to reproduce this heart because Michaels, it cost $9.99 at full price, and this heart with the little love sign is going to cost us a total of $2 because we already own the paint, the glitter, and the Mod Podge. So really, this whole project is going to cost us $2, which is what I'm all about, crafting on a budget. So once we drew our lines here, what we're going to do is we're going to take some crafter's tape, and we also found this at Dollar Tree, and I've had this for a while. It comes in a pretty good size roll, so we've had, plenty for, multiple projects. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go over the lines that we drew with the pencil, and this is going to give us that palette look at the end of the project. So we're just going to cover that up, and this is going to help us to equally space our lines that we're going to paint the section. So we did section 2 and section 5 in this ballerina pink paint that we found at that we actually got on clearance at Walmart a while back. So we used these colors for, like I said, the second line and the 5th line, and then we're also going to use the Waverly paint in crystal, and that's going to be for line number 4 and then line number 1, and the 3rd line we're going to paint in a metallic gold, which was the Folk Art brand that we also got at Walmart. So once we paint the whole entire heart with just one coat of paint, we're just going to go ahead and let this dry for a little while. And while we're doing that, we're going to decorate the little sign that says love that we also, got from Michaels. We found that for about, I want to say it was about 99 cents over in their wood section with their little wood cutouts and things. So we're just going to use this Mod Podge we got at Dollar Tree a while back and some of this gold extra fine glitter, and we're going to cover the love sign with a sponge brush. We're going to use the Mod Podge. Do it generously because you want to have enough that it's not drying before you put the glitter on. So then we're just going to cover it in the glitter, and we're going to set this aside to dry for a few hours before attaching it to the heart. So now that the heart has dried, we're going to peel this tape off, and then we're going to go ahead and use painter's tape just to section this back off so that we can paint the lines that we just removed the tape from. So we're going to use this Waverly Matte Finish Truffle Brown paint to paint in the lines that we had covered up with the painter's tape or the crafting tape previously. And this is going to give us the little palette like effect on our heart. So we just let this set aside to dry. Once it's dry, we peel the painter's tape off, and then using our hot glue gun, we're just going to go ahead and attach the love sign to the front center of our heart. And now we're just going to replace the hanger with the twine through the pre-drilled holes that's already there for us. And my daughter Arianna did this whole project start to finish, and I just absolutely love the way it turned out. It's so cute, and for $2, I just absolutely love it. I just think this is adorable, and I hope you love it too.
That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe, like, and share button.